everyone, we are in my 458 Speciale. Now this car isn't brand new to me. I got it as a used car from my partner and I'm super happy with this car. I haven't done a video blog on it because I've still been sort of feeling it out and just really getting a grip with the car. Now the car lives up to its name of Speciale. It's really a very special car. It's not the fastest Ferrari out there or the most expensive Ferrari, but it does give the driver all the sensory feedback for you to really be involved with driving this car. It sounds amazing, it looks timeless, and I think this is one of the Ferraris that will increase in value over time. Now, as you guys know, Ferrari has gone with turbocharging their motors, which means the engines don't scream as high anymore as they do with the previous generation V8s. That's why I really love this car, and that's why we are putting a nice exhaust on the back. We're going to be going to the car shop right now and we're going to be installing the exhaust in the new battery. Pardon the mess, obviously I have to carry all the production gear with me, and I also have a nice Zoom recorder so that we can get great audio from the exhaust. We're going to be comparing the sound of a stock 458 Speciale with the Kline Inconel exhaust right after. Both sound levels and just pure sound orgasm. Now this car, when you're really revving it out, it's where it comes alive. It really sounds amazing, and part of the reason why I bought this car, and it's also slowly becoming one of my most favorite cars in my arsenal. So let's go. So what makes the 458 Speciale different from the regular 458? This is the stripped down, lighter version of the 458. It's got a more aggressive engine with a more aggressive shift pattern. The car is a little rough if you don't know how to modulate the accelerator, but in terms of like getting it on track or an open road or a winding road, it feels so good. The car is so dialed in, and really, for me, this is what it means to be in a Ferrari. Later on, when we get some open roads, you're going to be able to hear the motor and really experience what it feels like to be in this car. Right now it's morning traffic, so I'm going to cut the video and we're going to continue when we get over there. The only mods I've so far done on this car is HRE wheels and Michelin cup darts. Besides that, now it's going to be the Kline Inconel exhaust and the Braille battery. It's a lightweight carbon fiber battery. It's lithium ion, so it's got a longer shelf life. Plus, it also is way lighter than the standard battery. Besides that, we are going to be ordering Novitec springs so that we are able to lower the car some more so that the fitment's a little better. I'm hoping that I get to keep this car in the long run because I really feel like these are one of the cars that will appreciate over time. Ferrari in their special series cars like this, the 430 Scud or the TDF or the La Ferrari, these cars will appreciate over time. You can't lose money on them, so it's sort of like having a good investment, something you can use, have fun with, and at the same time appreciate in your own garage. What I do love about this car is all the aero work on it. It's got these amazing fins and stuff, the natural stripes. I never thought I'd ever own a yellow car in my life, but this is it. So I'm sort of on the fence, like, do I P1 coat the car and change the color, or do I just clear film the car? So you guys help me choose, comment down below and let me know, okay? Horsepower, nowhere to go. It's gonna be a short burst. We're gonna be able to bring the car up to third gear so you guys can hear the naturally aspirated motor. Downshifts, ultra fast transmission shifts, and So that was a quick sound check with the stock exhaust. We're gonna be going to the shop now and changing up the exhaust. Hopefully it's not gonna take us too long. I was gonna get some help on it, but the guy backed out, so we gotta figure it out ourselves now today. After that, we're gonna update you guys again, do another sound check, and hopefully it's gonna sound more amazing than it is already. I do need a video though from the outside later on, right? Maybe a track video. Proper track hoonigan video. Here we go again. Okay, so that was our quick sound check, and we'll see you guys again later. What's up guys, we're finally in the shop. The car is being wrapped and we're going to be removing the rear bumper so that we can access the exhaust. Right here on the floor is our Inconel exhaust, and I'm super excited. The car sounds amazing already. We did the sound clip with our Zoom H4n recorder. After that we're going to do another sound clip and see what the difference is. It's hard to believe that the car is going to sound much more amazing, but I think it will. So stay tuned, we'll update you guys again in a bit. It's roughly been about 4 hours we've been working in the car. The hardest part is removing all the panels so that you can get access to the car. Right now the boys are removing the headers. I'm busy working on the 720S over here, so I'm jumping back from the 458 to the 720. We're pretty soon they're going to be removing all the cats, stock headers, and the mufflers come off. And then after that, the assembly part is the exciting bit. Can't wait. Here is the stock kit. This is the stock headers and the stock catalytic. Here's our upgrade system. Big difference, lots of weight savings right here. And we already have one side in, and we just gotta work on the other side. It's day 2, we're still here at the car shop and we're almost done. We got stuck up yesterday because we did start a little late. Right now Christian has everything already up and hanging. We have the exhaust up and hanging. We're now assembling the car. So it's the moment of truth, the cold start where everything is loudest. Can't wait to hear this kit. Super excited. Here is my stock battery, and over here is our Braille lithium-ion battery. This is super lightweight. I can carry it with one hand. So not only do we save weight, it has a longer standby time and it holds more current. Morning everyone, we are here at Clark Speedway and I brought the 458 Speciale. Sadly, on the way up, the check engine light came on, so I'm not quite sure what happened. But anyway, we're going to be doing a sound review of the Kline full Inconel exhaust system. I got the car wired up. I have a little mic running down there so you guys can appreciate the sound that this thing makes. I absolutely love it. It's just so crispy now and so much more spirit. Sadly, the track is still closed, so I'm waiting for them to open it up. I think we are first in line. There you go. I'm gonna be filming everything on the GoPros and I have one stationary cam right there. Hopefully that's enough footage for me. Yesterday I was on track for like 20 minutes and I had just a bit of fun sliding the car around. Today, hopefully we're gonna be doing some cleaner laps and then in between I'm gonna have a little playtime. So, update you guys again later.